Water in the basement's never a good thing. What do you as a homeowner want to put up with? That's where we can kind of define bad. But typically when water shows up in the basement, it's caused by an issue that's not going to heal itself. And so whether it's a crack or a cold joint water intrusion or some type of backup in plumbing or sewer line, the issue tends to not resolve itself, and so you end up having a repeat issue. And so water in the basement is never a good thing and probably needs some type of solution. It could be something as simple as just managing the water from the outside. So at KC Pier, we also help homeowners manage the water. It may not be just a major structural issue or a crack in the foundation or some type of shift or settlement. It may be something as simple as gutter covers. Allow the gutters to operate like they're intended to operate from new. Keep them unclogged so they can ultimately manage the water as it's exposed to during those rainy seasons. It could be adding gutter extensions to your gutters to get the water away from the foundation. So it could be something really, really simple, but it also could be something that needs a bit more of an extensive repair or resolution. The good thing about KC Pier is whether we're doing some type of structural or waterproofing solution or even a water management solution, we also have a product called KC Pier ShipShape that can monitor your basement for active water penetration. So if you have an area that you maybe can't afford to repair at this time and want to be able to monitor it when you're away from the house, KC Pier ShipShape has sensors on it that sit in those problem areas, and when water is detected, it actually alerts you on your phone, so you don't have to spend time monitoring your basement. KC Pier ShipShape will actually monitor it for you, and it's extremely affordable, and it is in real time on your phone. Plus we also monitor it here in the office, so if you happen not to see it on your phone, we will catch it and you'll get a text message, an email, or a phone call from us depending on the extent of the issue. So any water in the basement is never a good thing. It never does solve itself, and so KC Pier ShipShape is a very affordable way to monitor that water, or we can be more extensive with a variety of waterproofing techniques that can actually fix that problem and actually fix it for life, because we have lifetime warranties that will sit behind our solutions, so you as a homeowner can have peace of mind that you'll never have an issue with water in your basement again.